Hello everyone, in this tutorial I am going to discuss about Go packages. Every Go program is made up of packages. Programs start running in package main if there is no init function declared elsewhere. I will discuss about both of these functions in coming videos. There are two types of packages in Golang: executable packages, reusable packages. Executable packages start with package main, generates a file that we can run, for example .exe file. Then we have reusable packages. Codes used as helpers, a good place to keep reusable logics. Not an executable file, we can't run this file. We can import these reusable packages to get access to codes that are written inside another package. By convention, the package name is same as the last element of import path. For example, if we import package fmt, the package name is fmt. When we need to call a function from that fmt package, we call it by fmt dot the function name. Yeah, that's it for today's video. Bye.